Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. A little bit of everything. As I think I mentioned in the last video, I am selling my house. So, long story short, I have a few plant stands like this. That was one of three, actually one of five. And essentially what I'm going to do here is snip these little runners right about there and cut the runners into small pieces, so they look like, so that the pots are left to look like this with the little nubs. They'll still grow, it's just easier to transport and just move all together. So yeah, essentially I've done the plant stand that was right there, the big one, and the plant stand that was right there. So that is the pile from the first one, which is quite big. This is the pile from the middle smaller one. And this is the pile that I just started for that one. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. After I have got all of these cut down, I will put them all in bottles, just because these bottles are easier to transport as well. Like I can get a box from either the liquor store or a flat and put the bottles basically side by side, and it's easy to transport that way. I might lose a few runners, but I think I have enough that it's not a huge deal. And then everything on the wall there. So yeah. Anyway, thought I would give you guys an update as to what the house is starting to look like. And yeah. Anyway, I will keep you posted on how things are going and whatnot. I'll just show you these. So a plant stand like that breaks down to essentially a pile of, pieces like that. That was the smaller one, and that was the mid-sized one. So after I'm done cutting all the runners off, I will disassemble the other one, go from there. So I've been, whenever I'm packing up from the rest of the house, sorry, the furnace cut in, that was loud. I've been storing in this middle room because there's nothing in it. So got some stuff in here. Every time I go back to my parents' place, which is where I'm going, I fill my car with whatever is ready to be taken. And this is the state of my room. That is my bed. My desk used to be over there. And the closet is completely empty. I cleaned it out so I didn't put anything in there that I would forget. I still have to take the plants down. Other than that, yeah. Anyway, thought I'd give you an update of what the house looks like a little bit. And I'll update you guys more tomorrow as I pack up to take another load to the farm. See you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. It is October 10th today, I think. It is currently around 7:30 in the morning. The house is starting to clear out, or look cleared out. This is the living room. All the plant stands are gone and taken down. One from that corner is taken down. I got all my wall pots hanging from the curtain rods, as you can see. The addition still looks relatively the same. I haven't done much in here. Having a garage sale this weekend. So depending on how much of this I can sell, I'll probably take the greenhouses down next week. We'll see though. Haven't done anything with the kitchen. Actually, that's not true. I cleaned out that cupboard, and that cupboard is empty, and that cupboard is empty. So, yeah. Other than that, though, I haven't. Well, I shouldn't say I haven't done much. I've done enough so that I'm ready for the weekend. My roommate moved out on Saturday. So this room is now clear and empty. I'm keeping stuff in this room, just so that I can grab from one room that is ready to go. Haven't packed up anything in the bathroom, and my room is a little more empty. The closet's got still has a few clothes in it, and my TV is still up there. Still got my dresser, and a few odds and ends. I have this one open because I can still fit a few things in there. Other than that, yeah. Trying to think of what else was new. It's Tuesday morning today. My dad is coming down on Friday afternoon. He should be here about 4:35 o'clock-ish with the trailer. We're gonna take a bunch of stuff to the dump on Friday night, I think, or maybe Saturday morning. And then I'm gonna have the garage sale Saturday, see if I can sell most of the furniture, if not all. And then probably Sunday morning we'll load up the trailer with all the garage stuff, my bed, whatever boxes and totes I have packed up, and whatever else we think that we can fit on the trailer. The lawnmower and a whippersnapper in the shed and stuff like that. So all that'll go. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update. It's with my roommate moved out this past weekend on Thanksgiving. I'm going to be going to my parents' farm for the time being until I figure out what I'm doing next. So right now to the end of the month, other than people coming to help me pack and load things up, I'm living alone again, which I'm actually happy about because I've had people around the house living here for just over 6 weeks, so it's been a busy household, and I like my alone time, so that was quite a change. But yeah, so I will be going to my parents' place for the time being, and I'm not sure what's happening after that. I'm toying with the idea of going back to school, but I don't know if that will happen or not. I've got a few things up or in the works for my company, offering a few more services, house checks and design services. Essentially trying to go to my own. I've never done that before. I've done a version of that before, but I didn't have enough time to commit to it, and now that I'm not working and have no plans at the moment to go back to work, I figured that this would be the perfect time to try and launch something. So that is what I'm going to try and do over the next couple months and see how it goes. But yeah, we'll be running everything from my parents' farm. Once the house closes, I think I mentioned in the last video that I was selling the house, and it has sold. So yeah, once I get back to my parents' farm and get unloaded and settled, I will provide an update. But yeah, I don't know what I will be. I mean, I know what I plan to be doing, but for the time being, I don't know if any of that, and not to be not optimistic, but I don't know if any of that will actually gain traction. So hoping it will, but I don't know that for sure. So yeah. Anyway, I will keep you guys updated. Hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving, and I think this is gonna be one of my first video series, I guess. A week in the life. I think I started filming this last Wednesday, so I'll probably just continue until tomorrow or Thursday and do like a week thing or something. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in the next update. See ya. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. A little bit of everything, or if you're new here, welcome. I think the last time I filmed anything was just after the long weekend. I believe I mentioned there was going to be a garage sale. It's currently Tuesday the 17th of October. The garage sale was last weekend. I did not sell as much as I thought I would. And I thought I would give you guys a little update on how the house is looking while I'm packing it up, and yeah, go from there. So it is currently 7 a.m., so it's not quite light out yet. This is the state of the living room. I've been cleaning up some pots before I moved, so all the furniture's gone except for that chair, because I wanted something to sit on for the next couple weeks. This is the addition. I took both greenhouses down, and that is what was left. So yeah, got a few plants to transport, which is not a big deal. I haven't done anything with the kitchen yet. That will be this week. That room's empty. That room is empty. I just have my mopping bucket and some sheets down there that I gotta donate. The bathroom's not packed up yet, but it doesn't have much left in it. And let's see if we can get some light out of this window. Not really. Okay. So this is my bedroom. I've got an air mattress here that I've been sleeping on since last weekend because I took my bed to the farm after the garage sale weekend. Yeah, so the only things I have in here are the cot bed that I was sleeping on, but the air mattress ended up having a hole in it. My suitcase is right there, and I've got a couple books and some electronics in there, right there. And that's all that's in here. So yeah, the house is starting to look quite empty, which is good. It is day did I say it is today? Tuesday the 17th, so I have to be out on the 31st of October. So that would give me, the 31st is the Tuesday. So I have 2 weeks today to get everything out of the house. So I'm confident that I'll make that deadline, but yeah, I'm gonna stay optimistic with that decision, or that thought, I guess. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an update on how things are going, and yeah, appreciate you watching, and I will provide an update as I find the time to pick up the camera. And now I'm going to sit down and edit a few other videos so that I can have some more ready to go down the pipeline. Anyway, we'll see you guys in the next update. Bye.